Hey friends, who's hungry? Make a rich, flavorful shrimp stock at home with simple ingredients. It's perfect for soups, risottos, seafood dishes, and more. In a large stock pot, combine the shells from 2 pounds of shrimp, 1 small peeled and quartered onion, 1 stalk of celery cut into fourths, 1 large carrot cut into fourths, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a bundle of fresh herbs such as rosemary, thyme, or sage tied together with kitchen twine, 2 bay leaves, half a teaspoon of whole peppercorns, and 8 cups of cold water. Bring the water to a boil, reduce the heat to medium, cover the pot and simmer for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Drain the stock through a fine mesh colander and discard any solids. Use the stock immediately or it will keep in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.